Welcome to my channel. ASUS router setup with quick internet setup, QIS, method. Unbox your router, take the router out of the box and ensure all components, such as the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user manual, are included. Power on the router, plug the router into a power source using the provided adapter. Wait for the power LED to stabilize, indicating it is ready. Connect the router to the modem, use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN port to the modem's LAN port. Connect your device to the router, use a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Either connect via Wi-Fi, use the default SSID and password found on the router label. Open a browser for setup, launch a web browser and type router.asus.com or the default IP address, usually 192.168.1.1, into the address bar. Log into the router, enter the default username and password, often admin, for both. You will be prompted to change these for security purposes. Start Quick Internet Setup, QIS. The QIS wizard will launch automatically. Follow the on-screen prompts to detect your internet connection type. Set up Wi-Fi, choose a network name, SSID, and a strong password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Save your settings to secure the network. Confirm and test. Once the setup is complete, the router will restart. Test the internet connection by browsing the web or streaming a video. Thanks for watching.